Well, hey there, it's your girl PW giving you the know-how on the fashion how-to. And today, since we're talking about shoes, let's talk about how do you make a shoe that is too big fit. We've all done it. It fit at the store, and then we got home and the shoe's too big. Like take mine, for instance. These shoes were absolutely amazing at the store, and they fit like paint at the store. Now, these shoes are too big. Like they're someone else's shoe. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, these, my friends, are my tables full of foo-foo fighters here. These will help you, get yourself into any shoe and get out of, really. So when I bought these, I love these, and like I said, they didn't fit. And at the time, I didn't have any of my foo-foo. So what I did was take the sole out of my sneakers and cut them. You see that? I cut them into the shape of my shoe. I promise, I tell you, no lies and alibis. I cut that into the exact shape it was. Put it in here. Make sure when you cut it, you don't need it to be all the way up here. Nobody needs to know that you're sucking and tucking and doing, shucking and driving in your shoe. So you want to put that in there, cut to the shape, bam. Now my shoe fits inside. You see that? It fits. Nice, like a little glove. Now we're matching, and now mama can walk. Okay, that's one way. Okay, now if you have an open toe and your feet are sliding to the front, or just like they're too big in this area, what you want to do is get some of these, okay? So you just want to stick these, if you're wearing stockings or socks, you want to stick them in to your shoe, and that's if you're having trouble. Like if your shoe keeps sliding down and your feet keep doing that, like trying to go over, you want something right here to stop you from doing all that. So this little one will work, okay? Also, they have other different ones that actually you have to peel. You see that? You got to peel away and stick. These are a little more semi-perm. You can bring them up, but they're a little more semi-perm. And then you want to take that and bring that there. That's going to give you cushion, as you can see, that gelling cushion. I'm gelling. How about you? And then you want to go in. And then if you're barefoot, these are from Dr. Scholl's. These have been washed a million times. And P.S., don't forget to wash them because they do get funky like feet. Okay, so the Dr. Scholl's, you want to put them in. They have that great, jelly on the other side. And you want to stick them into your shoe. This is giving you support, and if you're going barefoot, it's going to stop you from going to the front. If you're having an entire foot issue, what you want to do is get the one that's fabricated on one side, has the great gel on the other. If your whole foot is sliding, and stick them in. You see there? Another PW tidbit. I hope I've helped you out and made you look that much better in those shoes. Have a great day. It's your girl PW signing off.